Stanley Window Care offers state-of-the-art pressure washing services for both commercial and residential buildings. Stanley Window Care utilizes powerful commercial-grade tools and chemicals, along with experienced individuals, in order to deliver the very best professional pressure washing services in all of Southern California. Whether a home or commercial structure has stucco walls, driveways, parking lots, parking structures, or walkways that need some professional attention, the pressure washing services offered by Stanley Window Care will not only meet your expectations, but exceed them as well. Stanley Window Care's pressure washing services remove mold, caked on dirt, stains, graffiti, automobile oil, tire tracks, and a whole lot more from a wide variety of surfaces. Homeowners who want their home to look warm and inviting, and owners of commercial structures who want their place of business to look professional and even illustrious will find Stanley Window Care's pressure washing services extremely valuable. Should you wish to book a job, or should you have questions about their pressure washing services, please feel free to contact Stanley Window Care using the information you see on your screen.